How to trade in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about trading in Grow a Garden on Roblox. So go to the trading plaza or designated trading area over there. Find the player that you want to trade with. Click on their character and choose trade. In the trade window, select the crops, seeds, or the pets that you want to offer. The other player will do the same. If you both agree on the trade, confirm it and double check everything before confirming, as trades are usually final. Another thing you can do is, during the game, you can simply gift to a player and ask him to give item which has the same worth, and always check the items carefully to avoid scams. Only trade within the game and don't use external website or promises. Report any suspicious behavior to the game moderators or Roblox support. And by following these steps and precautions, you can safely and effectively trade with other players in Grow a Garden, enhancing your gameplay experience and expanding your collection. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.